Well, with that, big breaking news which is coming in. This one regarding the Telangana factory blast horror that we saw. In fact, the blast probe has revealed that there was gross negligence which was there. In fact, Times Now has accessed the FIR copy, and this FIR copy reveals how employees raised red flags even before the blast has happened. There are several other discrepancies, the fact that there was no fire NOC. All of this is now coming to light. We're going to get you the details of what really are the revelations and how this tragic incident could have been averted if due diligence had been done. Well, what we are picking up right now is that the FIR, which Times Now has managed to access, has said that there were red flags which were raised even by the employees of the Telangana factory ahead of the blast. They pointed out that there were lapses, that there was apathy which was rampant, and yet this factory continued to function, which eventually led to this blast. Let me go across to Shomit, who's joining us. Shomit, what does the FIR say? Was this entire tragedy avoidable?
See, Meghna, it's a very unfortunate incident and which has claimed 36 lives and 34 are still undergoing treatment at 3 different hospitals in Sangareddy and Medak district. And even, the Chief Minister, yesterday Minister, they have visited the spot, inspected the spot. And, even Health Minister is also, ensuring that all the victims getting medical assistance, better medical assistance. And even the opposition has made this an issue. And we have accessed the FIR exclusively, which clearly says that culpable homicide has been booked. Normally, whenever a fire accident happens, fire accident case will be booked, but in this matter, culpable homicide and also fire accident, sections have been booked by the police, Sangareddy police, and it has clearly stated that 105, 110 and 117 of BNS has been booked by the police against the Sigachi management. So they are having around 4 factories, and this is the mother factory located in the Pasha Mailaram area, industrial corridor, in the Medak and Sangareddy district. So basically, they clearly stated that even the complaint clearly says that the facts of the case of 36 at around 11:40 the complaint was made against this this company, and even the chairman is around 75, 80 years old, and he is even summoned by the government. And even yesterday, Chief Minister and Minister, they have questioned the staff that even after the 24 hours of the incident, why is the management missing? Why is the director? Why is the chairman didn't come to the spot? He's so much preoccupied of what even the question was asked. And in this matter, clearly the affair says that. At around 11:40, this complaint was made by a person, and against the company, and also requested that culpable homicide is booked against the company and against the management. And because the in charge is also dead in the incident, the vice president is also dead in the incident, the chairman will be summoned and he will be questioned, is what the sources are confirming in the police department. And we have exclusively accessed the FIR, which clearly says that at around 11 hours, the younger brother of the Ramon called him on the phone, and the spot and some workers received severe burn injuries. And the deceased persons have been shifted to government area hospital Patancheru and preserved in the mortuary. And immediately the complaint went to the government area Patancheru, found the dead bodies. So the family members and also the known people of the workers, they initially tried to contact the people there, and when it was the people were not taking the calls, they reached the spot and they got to know that the workers received severe injuries, because at around 9:30 this blast took place. So at around 11:30 the complainant has reached there, and after seeing the chaos-like situation there, he was informed that the bodies were shipped to the local government hospital and preserved at the local mortuary, and there he found, he went there and found the dead bodies. So it's very unfortunate incident under crime number 184 of 2025 under section 105, 110, 117. The local police have registered a case and took up the investigation, and also the matter will also be parallelly investigated by the committee set up by the Chief Minister, and he has ordered that the committee should also investigate into it, and also the director of the factories should also investigate into it, and he should be submitting a detailed report to the Chief Minister office by the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. Well, keep tracking the developments on that front. We'll have to wait and see what kind of action is taken, because so far, you must explain that to us, Shomit, quickly before we let you go. So far, what arrests have been made? What accountability has been affixed when it comes to the management and the owners of this factory?
See, till yesterday, it was very much clear that even after Chief Minister, Minister Sridhar Babu, even other ministers, 3 to 4 ministers was there on the spot. Chief Minister himself was there on the spot. The collector, the district SP, all the higher officials, the IGs, and they were at the spot, and they clearly asked the management, stating that where is the chairman? Why didn't he turn up to the spot even after the 24 hours of the incident? So even this question was raised by the opposition parties, stating that the government failed in bringing out the people who are responsible for it, or at least who has to take care, ensure that all the workers are undergoing treatment at the local hospital. Government said that they are taking this responsibility to ensure that all the victims are given better medical assistance, and they have been shifted even to the few patients who have undergone treatment at the local hospitals initially. After severe burn injuries, they were shifted to the super speciality hospitals in the Hyderabad city. So
right.
The one side, the government is saying that they are investigating into it, they are providing medical assistance, and the chairman is since yesterday, even since day before yesterday, chairman was not seen at the spot, and that is the question raised by the even opposition parties. So we need to wait and see. Even chairman, chief minister has given clear instructions that.
In fact, sorry to interrupt you. Stay with us. You're absolutely right. Opposition leaders have been raising this incident. In fact, former chief minister, you had. In fact, what we do know right now is that the chief minister, in fact, had gone there himself as well. You had Revanth Reddy, the chief minister, going himself. This is what he had to say, as Shomit is explaining to us, raising questions just yesterday about where is the management. Listen into the chief minister.
Definitely, we will see whatever concerns are there, whatever lapses are there, whatever regulation has to be implemented. We will examine everything. We will take a serious view on those incidents. And at the same time, I have told my people to give 1 lakh for deceased family, death family, and injured family, 50,000 for immediate expenditure next. And at the same time, I have told my people 1 crore rupees for death families, 10 lakhs rupees major that accident and limited whatever injuries are there for them also 5 lakh rupees, and medical thing government will take care everything. So they need not worry about their medical treatment.
So this is not, you cannot see as an accident. No, company has to think in a way. So more than 24 hours over, no, where is your management, MD, who is the right person? He has to come, no, the major accident taken place in your premises, he has to come, he has to see, he has to visit deceased persons or who is alive with. So he cannot avoid.
Well, thank you so much for getting us all the details. We'll keep coming back to you, Shomit, for more details on the Telangana factory blast. Of course, you just heard the chief minister as well coming out and saying action is going to be taken, especially against those who are responsible for it. With that, there's more.